Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Odoo19 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let me teach you how to manage the badges in the employee module of Odoo19. For that, first let's navigate to the employees app. So here we have the employees, and once you open it, you can go to the configuration. Okay, and under the configuration, you can finally find the menu called badges. Here you can see all the badges in the default Kanban view. You can put it in list view as well, but I'm willing to put it in Kanban view itself. Okay. So here in a single card, you can see how many users have received it in this month. Okay. And in total, you can even award a badge directly from the screen using the grant button. So you can see this particular badge, which is called Good Job, which is granted to 2 people. Okay. And those people can be seen from here. Like simply click on grant. So here you have a thing called problem solver. I'm clicking on grant. And then Odoo doesn't provide an option for you guys to, allocate or grant a badge to yourself. So I have logged in as Michelle admin. Now let me try to award one for myself. You can see it's an invalid operation, which shows you cannot send a badge to yourself. So I'm changing this to Mark Demo, and I'm granting this badge to him. Okay, so now you can see one is granted, one this month. So that is for Mark Demo. So as I said before, each card shows the badge name and picture, and you can see how many users have received it this month and in total. So you can even, as I did right now, you can even grant one directly from the Kanban view. So now you can go and check the employees' badges. Okay. So if you go to the employees, I'm searching for Mark Demo. Here you have Mark Demo. I'm opening it. You have a smart tab or a section called the badges, under which you can see the badges that have been granted to this particular person. So you have this problem solver, which you granted right now, and a previously provided badge, which is a good job badge. Okay. So now if you don't see this, you simply jump onto the settings tab and make sure the related user field is filled in the badges. And then you can grant a badge from here as well. Okay. So simply click on grant a badge through the employee profile, and from there also you can provide what you're thankful for. Okay, so you can write a brief or meaningful summary describing exactly why they earned it. Like, for example, you can give it as a great work helping out with the last minute client request. So once you give that, you can simply click on a reward employee. Okay, or simply grant a badge. So you will be having these reasons which are already, these are different badges. Okay, you can specify any of these badges and provide that to this person from the employee profile itself. So that's how you do it. So that's all there is to it. Odoo Badges are a simple, effective tool for instant recognition, turning a simple task into a fun, rewarding challenge. So don't forget that badges can also be awarded automatically through the CRM or e-learning apps. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe for more Odoo tips, and let us know what we should cover next. Thanks for watching.